Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the seat. Gloves, goggles, and open windows matter. Once set, mix 1 cup warm water with a drop of mild soap and blot a hidden seam. Then test isopropyl 70% or a dedicated leather cleaner on a tucked patch for 5 minutes to check color fastness. Make sure to use a cotton swab and a microfiber to avoid spreading. If dye lifts, stop. If not, proceed to targeted solvent work described next. You now remove paint with patient, precise motions. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl 70% or a leather-safe citrus solvent and touch the paint edge. Once you see softening, gently blot. Do not scrub, pulling debris away. Move from the outside in, replacing swabs frequently to avoid reapplying paint. Once flakes lift, switch to a damp microfiber to clear residue, then let the leather air dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Repeat short cycles until the spot is. You finish by removing solvent residue and restoring the hide. Clean the treated zone with a neutral pH leather cleaner, wiping gently, then let it dry. Once dry, apply a thin, even coat of leather conditioner and buff after about 10 minutes to reinstate lost oils and flexibility. Make sure to monitor color and texture. If paint persists or the leather dulls, stop. Consult a professional or use a matched leather dye restoration as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.